What's up guys, Harry here, known as Trade Sharp. I want to keep this video nice and short, having some work done in the house, so a bit of noise in the background. But I just want to give you an update because my Fibonacci is working to a T. I mean, the modified version seems to be simplified, easier, and is working to a T. So I want to show you that. So it did meet my condition. Remember I was telling you guys I was looking for that test back down to the topside Bollinger Band. We did get, here we go. Here's the sound. We did get that test to the topside Bollinger Band, and now we bounced off it, which is very healthy. And sorry for the noise, guys. Just bear with me. I just want to get this video out for you guys. And you can see yesterday we wicked right up to this line here that I drew in yesterday, perfectly wicked to that line. And how did I know we were gonna hit this resistance and reject? Well, it was quite simple, right? Yesterday in my video I used a Fibonacci extension and I took it from this point here, and this is my modified version of a Fibonacci extension, and I took it to this top here, right? And then after that, I saw this, this was coming in a bit higher than what what my Fibonacci says. But you can see it's exactly in the zone. So as long as you're putting in a zone, you can see that it works, right? And if you don't believe me, here's me saying that in the video, and you can see but the next target, according to my Fibonacci, is coming in at exactly, look, so that was posted yesterday, December 27th. And if you want to know how to use this Fibonacci strategy, and I explain about it in yesterday's video, so just go and watch it. So now, how do we predict where Bitcoin's going? So obviously we're in this range, a 4-hour closure above here. I look for extension to a point where I'm going to show you now, and a 4-hour closure below this wick here because I saw this resistance flip support. So a 4-hour closure below here, I look for it all to come down all the way back down to this 24,300 level. Uh, Looking, at this new Fibonacci extension, we're going to take the extension from this push here to that wick there, like that. And it's giving me, we'll take it from the actual push of the candle, which is coming from there, and taking it from that push all the way to this wick here, we'll put it on the wick, is giving me the first target coming in right here. So we're going to draw in a line like this, and we're going to, so that is our target. So you guys have seen me, I'm drawing the target. This is the first target here, but I don't think we have, I think we'll see. We'll draw both lines and see if it pulls back, but the 618 always holds more strength. So if we do break this level here on a 4-hour, I do look for extension to meet this here. And I'm going to put a magnet here to show you where I want it to come. All right. This is where it's pulling the price if we do break. Now in the short term, I do see it. I don't mind it coming back down and testing this area here, maybe exactly on this support here. And if we do get a bounce here, that's very bullish. That is an opportunity for a range change, range trade, in my opinion, of a nice, $1,600 move. So pretty decent. Anyways, guys, I'll leave you with that. Sorry for the construction today. Remember, guys, be safe and trade sharp.